The Lenovo Legion Go has finally arrived in India, claiming to be one of the most powerful handheld gaming PCs available for nearly 90,000 rupees. I've been putting it to test playing AAA games and running benchmarks right out of the box. So keep watching till the end to find out if this is a must-have or if you can just skip it. Let's begin with the design and ergonomics. The Legion Go features a massive 8.8-inch screen, making it the largest in the handheld market currently. It also weighs 854 grams, which is heavier than both the Asus ROG Ally and the Nintendo Switch. Naturally, this raises the question, is the Legion Go too heavy for gaming? The answer is both yes and no. Its sheer size can make extended handheld gaming sessions somewhat cumbersome. However, I found that my fingers grip and curve around the device's body very comfortably, making it more than fine for daily gaming. Plus, it's not just limited to home use, it is portable enough to take with you on the go. It even comes with an impressive carry case, making it easy to travel with. In my opinion, the weight isn't a significant drawback, especially as it comes with a kickstand. There have been so many times when I'm engrossed in a game and want to enjoy a cup of coffee. With the kickstand, I can simply set the device down on the table, freeing my hands to take a sip. It's fantastic for gaming and equally useful for watching YouTube or movies. From a practical standpoint, it's a great feature. Speaking of practicality, the Legion Go also comes with detachable controllers. Lenovo has taken inspiration from Nintendo but added a unique twist. The right controller can double as a vertical mouse when magnetically attached to the dock, with M1 and M2 buttons functioning as the left and right clicks. It takes a bit of getting used to, but once you do, it's pretty cool. Plus, there's an FPS mode switch which is perfect for games like Counter-Strike or Call of Duty. Moving on to the display, it's a standout feature at 8.8 inches with a QHD Plus resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate. It's absolutely gorgeous, but the tech isn't quite advanced enough to fully take advantage of this high resolution. Most of the time, the only content displayed at full 2560 by 1600 resolution will be the Windows desktop or some random video. Despite this, the screen is solid, though I wish it was complemented by better speakers. The device has 2-watt stereo speakers located at the top, but the upward firing placement tends to diffuse the sound. Forward-facing speakers would have been ideal here. Fortunately, I found a workaround to improve the audio experience. When you first get your Legion Go, type Realtek Audio in the search bar, click on it, and navigate to the speaker settings. Turn on the Omni speaker feature and choose either the powerful setting or dial everything up to max. While it is not the perfect substitute for front-facing speakers, it significantly enhances the sound quality. Another solution is to pair the device with the headphones, as it comes with a 3.5mm headphone and microphone combo jack. Apart from that, you also get a microSD slot and two USB-C 40GB per second ports, which allows you to charge, connect to an output, and game simultaneously. So it's pretty handy that way. Now let's dive into performance. The Legion Go is powered by the AMD Z1 Extreme processor and AMD Radeon graphics, which, based on its benchmark scores, makes it one of the most powerful handhelds on the market right now. It also comes with 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM along with up to 1TB of SSD storage. It can handle AAA titles, but I did notice some drops in FPS and benchmark scores at higher resolutions, with significant improvements at lower settings. Therefore, it's best not to max out the presets, especially for graphically demanding games like Assassin's Creed Valhalla or Cyberpunk 2077. The device also heats up quite a bit, but I haven't experienced any significant thermal throttling, with the CPU maintaining average temperatures around 54 to 55 degrees Celsius. However, the fans can get quite loud, though they seem to be effective in keeping the console's temperature in check. On the battery front, the Legion Go features a 49.2 watt-hour unit, and during my testing, the 65-watt charger took about an hour to fully charge it. However, the battery life during continuous gaming is about 1.5 to 2 hours, which feels a bit short for my liking. To get more out of the battery, I found that lowering the screen resolution to 800p at 60Hz made a significant difference. Not only did this extend the battery life, but it also made the games run much smoother. This tweak has become my go-to setting for longer gaming sessions. Moving on to the software. The Legion Go runs on Windows 11, essentially making it a portable PC. It works well for the most part, but it can be a bit buggy at times. The device also features the Legion Space software, which recently received an update, making it feel a lot less clunkier than before. Basically, Legion Space serves as the hub for all your installed games and settings. You can get all the necessary information you need about your device's health in here, along with the settings tab for other features. I feel that the Legion Space software is still a work in progress, but other than that, the Legion Go itself is a pretty solid choice. It's also the most feature-packed handheld device I've come across, and I have to give Lenovo credit for trying out interesting features like the Joystick mouse controller. That being said, it's also not cheap at 89,990 rupees. At this price, you could also find some worthy gaming laptops that might meet all your needs. Additionally, the ROG Ally is available for under 60,000 rupees, so your choice will depend on what you prioritize the most. Anyway, let me know what you think about the Legion Go in the comments section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.